Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Denise. If this is your very first video, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed this content enough that you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys have read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review. However, this one is going to be on a synthetic unit. I did get this unit from FDSweetzj on Amazon, and it is a curly wig with a bang. Now, as I mentioned, it is a synthetic unit and she is 24 inches. So this is the packaging that it comes in, okay? And when you open the bag, you get your wig, okay? They give you a wig cap. This one is really brown, so. And then they also give you a pack of 3 lashes, okay? All right, y'all showing up. Not just 1 lash, but they're gonna give you 3, okay? I also got separate their wig grip. It is 100% velvet to help your wig from sliding back. So we're gonna try this on as we try on the wig. So this is the wig. It is a nice brown color. And it's going to come with your standard combs, 2 at the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. So let's go ahead and try her on, style her up, and let's see what she's working with. So I got the wig grip on, and it also had a little comb in the wig grip band. Now let's see what she's working with. Alright, y'all, so I am back and I am done. So let's talk about the unit. The hair is super soft, curls are super pretty. The only thing is I wish the bang had a little bit more fullness to it because I had to do a lot of playing with it to get it to look a little fuller. It's definitely a wig you could just throw on and go real quick. Gotta run to the grocery store, gotta run to Target, you gotta run to Ross, you know, real quick. I just, you know, I ain't trying to be out here looking busted and disgusted. Let me throw on a wig and go and still look cute. So that's the type of wig that this is. Now, I will say that that velvet grip, that's a keeper. Like, I'm probably most likely gonna be using that for all my wigs because when I tell you this wig is not moving, it is take care. It is take care, okay? So definitely get that wig grip because, honey, she ain't going nowhere, okay? So that's all I got for this wig. It was easy as 1, 2, 3. And if you guys are interested in this wig as well as the wig gripper, I will definitely leave the links down below so that way you can check it out and get your hands on them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.
back.